So how's the drink?
It's good.
That wasn't a very strong reaction.
Well, it's not a very strong drink.
Just don't tell anyone.
This, of course, breaks some critical FAA regulations.
Can I get you anything? Cocktail? Soda?
Just coffee, sweetheart. Black.
Coffee, sure.
You look worried. I'd be worried too, I was you. But you gotta stay positive, kiddo. You know, there's always that off chance that they'll believe your story. I know I sure do.
I don't care what you believe.
Oh, I know that's true. That has always been true. You sure you don't want some more juice?
Yeah, I'm sure. Are you all right, sir?
I'm good. Thanks.
Can I get you a water?
I'm fine. Thank you. Please?
All right.
Excuse me.
Guess you really had to go.
Sir, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Guess you really had
Sir,
to go.
excuse me. Sir, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Ladies and gentlemen, the pilot has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and fasten your seatbelts.
It's normal.
Oh, I know. Just never been a very good flyer. My husband keeps reminding me that planes want to be in the air.
Well, he sounds like a very smart man.
Be sure and tell him that when he gets back from the bathroom.
Well, I'll keep you company until he does. Don't worry.
Sir, are you all right? Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm gonna have to ask if you open the door, please. Open the door now, sir. Sir.
I have one favor to ask.
Really? This ought to be good.
Here I am thinking that free will still actually exists on... Whoa. Doorway, get into